Hi everyone, today we're looking at this 2018 Mini Countryman John Cooper Works. It's all-wheel drive, it's a one-owner vehicle, dealer serviced, and it's been in BC its whole life. Colour of course is British Racing Green Metallic with the contrasting red stripes and the red roof as well. Vehicle's currently on winter tyres, Pirelli Winters with around 930 seconds of tread. Keyless entry is standard. We have a really nice black leather interior with some orange accents. Comes very well equipped. We've got the Harmon and Kardon surround sound system. The vehicle does have ambient lighting. It's quite hard to tell right now, but colours are interchangeable. You have power and memory front seats. Let's take a look inside. So it's only got 18,000 kilometers, which is super low. These doors have built-in navigation, as well as a backup camera. It's dual zone climate control. The temperature will actually change the color of this light just here as well. Super cool feature. So you have heated front seats. Obviously push button start, but in the unique switch style. Auto start stop, and then we have our drive modes here as well. Being a John Cooper Works, does have a bit more of a throaty exhaust, so we'll put it in normal mode right now, which is called mid. We'll take a listen to it. And we'll switch it to sport mode. We'll open a little valve in the exhaust. Just adds those little crackles and pops on the overrun, which is very nice. You also have a heads-up display, just see there. Take a look in the back. We have the dual sunroof as well. Front portion is powered, the rear portion is just stationary. Being a Countryman, obviously it's a bit more spacious than your regular Cooper. Can fit four or five easily. And here's that separate sunroof. It is just a manual sunshade as well. Obviously, again, being the John Cooper Works, you get the sports exhaust, which is the dual exit exhaust there. We have a power liftgate, as well as a second set of carpet floor mats. Currently it has the all-weather mats. Turbo button. Yeah, super low kilometers. It's in great shape. Obviously very well cared for. It's now been fully inspected, and you can find more information at auto-market.ca.